If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Hi, so today we're building the Pokeball. How cute, right? Like this one, I add the keychain. So I found this one is the easiest one, that you only need 12 pieces and we can build it really quick. So let's get started. First, let's go with these two identical pieces, you can see. And then these are the connectors. We have two of these. So first, go by the color and combine them on one side. And then this huge piece goes to the other side. Now we have three sides. And then let's close the gap with this one right there. Now we have the cube. Let's go to the bottom first. So we have the bigger piece, the white one, and then just insert it from the bottom. Just like so. And then the other piece, just put it on there. You should see the pattern. So let's do the side. So we have this one, we have two of these. Let's find the side. So this would be the side to put this in. Right there. There you go. So flip to the back and then use the other piece. Yay. Now let's come into the back. This is the back piece, looks like that. Okay, so actually either side is gonna be the back. Just place it on there. We got this. And then now the front piece right here. Very easy. Just to do this. Oops. So now we got the front. Let's go to the top. So we have this big piece. Let's put on the top first. And then the last one. There you go. How quick it is. Look at how cute. Now I got three. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.